Welcome to 1430 Glengarry Court. My name is Lindsay German and I'm with Keller Williams Arizona Living Realty. First, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this walkthrough video in its entirety. The sellers are selling due to some health concerns, so they do have to be very cautious on who they welcome into the home, as they will be present for all showings. Built under the guidance and the supervision of the owners themselves, this is one of Havasu's most meticulously cared for and well-built properties. Built in 2003, they utilize every square foot of the 13,000 square foot property, which makes it ideal for any hobbyist, toy enthusiast, home-based business, or even if you just want some extra space. So let's go on inside. So inside the main house is 2,650 square feet of living area. And we've got really tall 15-foot ceilings. So when you first walk in, on the right-hand side are going to be our guest bedrooms. And on the left, you'll see we have a nice sitting area, or could be family room. So here we are in the third bedroom, currently being used as an office space. But as you can see, with this convenient Murphy bed, is easily transferred into the third bedroom. All right, now let's go check out the dining room and kitchen area. So here we are in the dining room. You'll notice we have these extra large picture windows that are creating a lot of light and ambiance in this room. These are actually commercial grade windows because of their size. In the kitchen, this is truly set up for the at-home chef. Every detail was considered, including the appliance garages, and every drawer on the below cabinets actually pull out. And not only that, we have an extra large pantry. All the countertops are granite, and you'll see all the appliances that will be staying with the home are the modern stainless steel and impeccably clean. Down this hallway, we have the indoor laundry room that has a ton of cabinet and storage space, followed by the home's 2-car garage. So just off that hallway, you don't want to miss the half bath right here as we go into the master bedroom. Now we're in the master bedroom. This room is huge. It is 17 by 15. You have a walk-in closet over here, as well as a separate vanity area before you enter the bathroom. Here in the master bathroom, we have an oversized garden tub, dual vanity sinks, a separate walk-in shower, and actually its own linen closet. Let's go enjoy this backyard and check out all of these extra garages. As you can tell, this backyard is so private, and there's also LED lighting along every exterior wall, so there's plenty of lighting in the backyard and around the entire property. The pool is gunite. You'll notice we have a beautiful water fountain feature, and the hot tub is actually not propane, it's heated with electric, so you don't even have to mess with the propane bills. Come check out this RV garage. With a 13-foot door, this garage is 52 feet deep and also has a rear garage door. You'll see because of the pie-shaped size of this lot, it's actually 29 feet deep in the back. Now, the owner spared no expense. There's 2 of everything in this garage. 2 evaporative coolers, 2 50-amp plugs, and 2 sewer dump access. Now this is what makes this house truly unique, is this detached building. We have 2 extra rooms, a garage, and a workshop. Over here we have a hobby room, and right behind me is actually another office den that could be transitioned into a casita with its own bathroom. Let's go inside. In addition to those rooms, we also have this 1-car garage that's 25 feet deep with an 8-foot door. But that's not all. You also have this extra space over here that's currently set up as a welding shop. So it has 3 50-amp plugs, air compressor plumbed throughout, and it's air conditioned. So now, just off the kitchen, we are in the second living room, and you can tell there's so much natural light in this room on its own. But what makes it truly unique is this door behind me has a 13-foot deep storage closet. Okay, that's it for our tour. Again, my name is Lindsay German. I'm with Keller Williams Arizona Living Realty, and I can't wait to meet you in person to show you this beautiful home.